Afternoon again, we at the Folk Law Festival here in the Music Kitchen. My name is Toeli D1. We're at the Street Forte. Right now we have a special guest. We're gonna have a quick chat, but hopefully in the long run we're gonna have a long talk. Yawa? But now
Long talk.
long talk. Yawa? So, Fredman, Mbani.
I'm popularly known as MyMan. I'd like to introduce myself. Let's call my full names. Siyabulela Nozewu. I'm a creative from music, film and television, and also an entrepreneur. So what I do currently, I do films, documentary recently, just won an international award, International Unpaused Film Festival, which is going to be broadcasted in New York this coming week. Currently, I'm also a facilitator. I facilitate leaderships of film and television productions. I travel around Eastern Cape doing the account based through my space. It's my space of months. I'm also an art activist. I'm a former CIRSA, Culture Marketing Industry Federations of South Africa sector coordinator for film, audiovisual and interactive media. So yeah, man, that's what I do for life.
With everything that you've done so far and lots of work that you've done, obviously there will be that ceiling that causes a mental health, and every creative comes through global situation. So how do you deal with your mental health?
A very important question. A book was Timon Bonandilapa before the festival. Like I was home trying to figure myself out, there's a project I've been working on recently, Disamuza mental health. Some things in our world don't go as planned all the time, and we keep time, we get lots of disappointments, could be easily lured into drugs or lured into alcohol or something else that will take you away, focus. So kubalulekile to have like a place to run to. Umzekelo busy or creative blocks, because that will also create mental health. If you're trying to come up with a concept or a script or a story, but if man writer's block, abanye abantu ba-react differently, but it's also so kubalulekile benayo a place of safety. Like for example, thing yangineteke focus into one. Like I said, I'm a facilitator. So uyakwazi ukunabo umsebenzi ngidala kudala liyenza lento ayidifike kulelawo then bestart ungabona umsebenzi. But it's those alternatives I'm talking about. Angenza documentary, the facilitator, I keep back. That's how I'm keeping myself healthy mentally. That ingqondo yami mayingaqali ifocuseke izinto eziqhubekisa ingqondo yami, eziqhubekisa umoya wami. The ending is a focus, in finding myself or becoming what I need to become in life, doing what I'm doing and what I've been doing all my life. I went to spend time with family, was traveling. Sometimes ubana homesick, as they go out, like I'm networking, I'm not in class, was always on our phones. So I think about many alternatives like in the or read a book like so don't stick window toxicity, don't stick window and as of night and don't be true that was a bit kubekile uveka mfongo uyasikhowela ngoku uyathini kabuyeke izinto ezingazokwenzela nto ngena-solution something enyingi ukuphume ebheyini. So that's how I get myself. I always remember those words.
Yeah, so basically home is one of the things that you must wait to. Go home, spend time with family, go find the network spaces. Already unomsebenzi omninzi apho kuwo, but now you need to just distracting on the app or meet abanye abantu that doing different stuff. So
and sometimes you're afraid of doing that because you're probably gonna feel exposed, or you're gonna feel like abanye abantu bazokujonga bakudade ume uvelaphi ubuya unjani. There's those pressures, but sometimes those pressures become positive. Yoba okay kanti ekubuyele pha kabuye iniphalele, because abanye abantu bazawuthi waphelela and ufuna ukuphoxa family yakho. ufuna uziphoxa nawe most important. Yeah. So that keeps you going. But despite those fears, go home, man, because you never know when you coach you about this come through, man. In PE, I went out. I'm learning something that can help me. I'm focusing about that issue. Letting new collects, new ideas. Yeah.
But man, that's why in city we must have a longer talk. Uninzi lawe kuboyi. So basically namhlanje it's good to bamantete now. It goes a long way. You'll never know how far this can go. Good. And also on social media, lawe, where can we check you out?
On social media, I'm trying to be consistent because you find out I'm always on the crowd. I'm always like in class, teaching others, impacting the skill. So the socials, the post and class because I'm thinking different projects. But I'm MyMan Nozewu on Facebook, MyMan Nozewu on Instagram, Liberator on mobile. And I know MyMan, yeah. MyMan, YouTube, MyMan, or MyMan Nozewu, Google, MyMan on Google, or you can Google MyMan Nozewu. But when it comes to my music, if you want to know who's MyMan, go on Google. Then Google MyMan, which was the title of my first album. After that, go, everything else is MyMan Nozewu on all socials. Yeah.
Number one, thank you very much. We're gonna talk more on the Crib Mile soon. Now it's time for me to go to the next person. Salute.
Yeah, woman. Thank you. So support that.